Combining exercise for best results. A healthy diet is an incredible thing to have. But if your goal is weight loss, any diet that is healthy and nutritious is best paired with an exercise routine that suits your lifestyle and provides you with all of the calorie-burning opportunities you can get. When you lose weight, it means that you are creating a deficit in calories. This will be discussed further in the next video. In summary, you want to burn more calories than you consume. And to do so, you need to establish a good routine that includes both proper nutrition and activities that will help you to burn fat while nourishing your body, muscles, and mind all at the same time. Burning calories can be difficult, especially if you are living a stagnant lifestyle. When you are stuck working behind a computer all day, it can be difficult to move your body and do the exercise that you need to do in order to keep your blood flowing properly every day. That makes it even harder to burn calories and stay at a healthy weight, let alone lose excess fat that is being stored in our bodies. When we are living a sedentary lifestyle, it is incredibly bad for our bodies. We can't just go on a diet and expect fast and healthy weight loss results without considering what we need to do physically in order to contribute to a surefire and foolproof way of losing weight. If weight loss isn't your goal, that's fine. However, it is still important to maintain a regular exercise routine so that you are not harming yourself. Lack of exercise makes it difficult to get rid of toxins in the body, especially those that are stored inside our body fat. This can make it close to impossible to lose weight. Toxins tend to get bound to our fat cells, and the combination makes it difficult to get rid of the excess body fat. That's why it is so important to exercise. Not only do we begin to sweat out the toxins and other bad things in our bodies, but we can also begin to build muscle. When we build muscle, it helps us to burn fat all throughout the day. In fact, strength training is a great way to build the muscles that we need in order to maintain a healthy metabolism so that we are able to thrive. When we are building muscles, they provide the body with a constant ability to burn the fuel that we provide to them. When we are burning more fuel than we are consuming, that is when we begin to lose fat and really make a difference in our weight loss journey. It can be very beneficial to include cardio exercises as well. It is hard for the body to lose weight if you're not engaging in activities that make you sweat and keep your heart rate up. Cardio is a way to burn a lot of calories and improve the deficit of calories consumed versus calories burned. That means you will be losing weight. This is especially true if you are making intelligent and health-conscious food choices throughout the day rather than eating foods that are bad for you and causing you to gain weight, or hold on to stubborn fat rather than releasing it through exercise and smart eating. You can probably lose weight without exercising, but the results will be minimal at best. In order to undertake a foolproof diet plan, moving your body and getting the blood pumping will be an indisputable way for you to lose weight and get yourself on track toward achieving the body you have always wanted. Because being the best version of yourself is something that you deserve, and exercising will help you to do that.